Hey everybody, Iceman 50. So today we're gonna do the headlight restoration with the ceramic headlight restoration kit from Cerakote, and apparently I caught a cold. Go figure. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, so I've been watching some videos on this. It's a pretty simple process. They give you everything you need. Oh, let's not let that blow away. They got the sander and all this crap here, but we're gonna focus on step one, and they give you. I keep dropping stuff. They give you 4 step ones for each headlight. So this is the oxidation remover. We're gonna wipe this on, and we're gonna use all 4 for each one. So we'll just rip this open here, and it comes with like a, oh, it smells weird, pre-moistened pad, and you just wipe it in circles. Keep wiping. There goes the box. All right, I'm just gonna keep wiping. It's already pretty clean. Keep going. We'll just use them all. Pretty much not any more coming off of there. All right. Let me get a paper towel. I'll be right back. Make sure we get this off the paint. I have no idea what it's going to do to the paint. All right, so the next step is the pads here, and it comes with a number 2. Step 2. So you get a couple of different pads. Hey, get this out of the bag. Jeez. All right, you get you some red pads and some gray pads. Let's see what this says. All right. Pretty sure we used the red pads first. And then I've got some de-icer, which is alcohol and mostly water. So that's what we're going to do. And this, it said to go, we'll go in one direction for this one, and then with the gray ones, we'll go in the other direction. We got to look out for these little nibs here. Let me get a rag and we'll wipe this off. We'll just bring the whole box. All right, everybody. So on this one, we're going to use the gray pad, which is 3,000. The red ones are 2,000. So I'm going to get to finishing this one, and we'll coat it. You can see it's a nice, even haze there. So we'll keep going. I think I'm not going to use their pad. I'm just going to use it by hand because of the nubs that are on there. So let's keep going. One of the big things they said was make sure it was absolutely dry when you go to put the coating on. So we will make sure that it is. All right, I'm looking at this and it looks pretty even on there too. So we'll let this dry a little bit, and I'll do the other side, and then we'll wait and we'll come back and see the results. Hang on. All right, everybody, it's time for step 3, the ceramic headlight juice. It's like a same kind of pad, I think, as the other one. So you're supposed to do 50% overlap, one wipe only. So here we go. Here's the pad. I'm gonna start at the top. Wipe, 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 wipe. Okay. They look pretty clear. We're going to come up maybe in some of the areas that I missed. And that's it. She's looking pretty clear. I think it's definitely an improvement over what we had. I'm going to wipe the other side. We're going to wait a little while for this one to dry, and then a little bit more, and then we'll wipe this one, and then we'll bring it back here. The good thing is kind of getting dark, we'll be able to see what's going on here. Hang on. All right, everybody, let's see if it's any better. They look pretty clear from here, like really clear. And let's go ahead and turn on the lights. You're going to see it before I do. Let's see. Yeah, they look just about as good as they did yesterday. I think these were pretty clean to start with, but you know, no loss here. They still look really good. See if we can. You can see. Look at that. They look pretty clear. Side markers, bottom markers. They look pretty good. You're seeing like a little bit of weirdness in the lens there. I can see it. That's from the inside. So, you know, not perfect, but let's try the turn signals too. Oh, I might not be able to do it unless we start the truck. But there you go, everybody. The white LEDs, and they look pretty clear. The next thing I'd like to do is I'd like to switch this front end to the 01 Ranger. You got to get the header panel and everything, but it just wouldn't look right unless it was color matched. I might do it, but I think I would get the stuff and then I would have it painted to match the truck, and then I'd put it on. So, all right, everybody. Hope this was informative, and we'll see you on the next one, all right? Easy.